Another great face to see on Machine Learning Day, friend of the show, Lori. It's so great to celebrate machine learning today with you. There is a lot to be thankful and grateful for. What would you like to celebrate on ML Day?
Thank you, Darren. So happy to be here celebrating with you on ML Day. So for me, I would like to celebrate natural language processing. This is my favorite aspect of machine learning.
Now, for me, I take that for granted. So I want to take a step back because I know not only do I take it for granted on things I actually see it doing, but there's probably things I don't realize it's doing. So what, in this big term of NLP, like, is there a use case that, someone who's non-technical should just say, wow, I get it now?
Yeah, I don't know, probably not a lot of the people with us remember those days before Google. I don't know if you were doing searches on your internet, very, old version of the internet, trying to find stuff. And that was pretty hard to do. You had to write your queries or your questions in a way that the machine is going to react to well.
Yes.
So it was a very formatted language. And at the end of the day, it was very hard to find stuff. I was just thinking about it today, because I was just looking for a pair of earrings, simple pair of earrings, but they had this little star. They were golden coated. They had so many nice features. I just wrote them all, my own language, and bam, I found them. I even didn't have any idea that they exist, but the machine knew better than I did. So the machine knew that they exist and it found it for me. And I was thinking about it 20 years ago. It's not that long. This did not exist in the world.
I am so happy you shared that because that is something I take for granted, but not on Google, on Amazon. Yeah. I'm always like light beach chair. I don't know. I don't know what to call it. I just know what it needs to do. And all of a sudden, I don't know what it is, but I know what I'm looking the features it needs to do. And it is remarkable how.
Wondering if the machines have trained us to write it so well, or we have trained the machine. And I'm sometimes thinking about it because we got to think in a certain way, like you're saying with Amazon. If I'm going to write the features, then something's going to come up in the search. It's not the exact thing. It's pretty much what I'm looking for, but then I'll get some hints about what are the right words to put there.
I think you're right.
The algorithm is not perfect, and it is actually using our brain powers in order to improve the search. And that is crazy because we're not thinking about it.
That's what I'm celebrating is right. I can't believe I'm being trained every day.
Every day, exactly.
Right. And what's nice about that training, we've all had one-on-ones with our bosses or just given feedback. And it's nice feedback. Our bosses would be like, you should have done this. You handled it, but here's how I would have handled it. And the machine is like, you asked for this. This is a better way to ask what you wanted.
Every day. Yeah, every day. And we don't think about it.
Nope. I love it. And that's part of this day is just take a second and just appreciate that there's a lot of people that worked so many hours now and before us and beyond us to delight everybody, regardless of age. I mean, just think about even the searches. We might be searching for earrings. Other people might be searching for Mickey Mouse. It's just endless.
Other people are searching for a cure for their diseases. They're looking for other people who are sharing the same symptoms. Yes. They are, looking for help because they're in horrible situations. And
absolutely.
Because our algorithms are able to understand what they are in need of, they're able to really get a good advice, good results, and really honestly change their lives. So I get my earrings, but some people get, their cure for cancer.
A lot to be grateful for. And I want to thank you for being part of this day. I want to thank you for having us think about this. This is what we want to do, is think about these things. And always
thank you for inviting me.
Yeah. And I just grateful for our friendship. I mean, that's also Maybe the machine of LinkedIn connected us as well, but either way, we connected, and I'm glad we connected electronically, and we'll get together, I hope soon. So it's good to see you, and thank you for being part of this great day.
Thank you. Have a great day.